Good morning, students. This lesson is for class 3 for the subject of mathematics, topic addition, which is covered in chapter 2 addition, starting on page number 32 of your textbook, titled Essential Mathematics, and is being submitted to you on 3rd of May 2021. Dear students, after doing the basic addition of numbers with and without carryover and the story sums, we will now study the properties of addition. So, let us start with the properties of addition. As per the first property of addition, we can change the order of two numbers when finding their sum. For example, if A and B are two numbers, then addition of two numbers, that is A plus B, is equal to B plus A. For example, the two numbers which are to be added are 4525 and 1752. While taking their sum, the first number I have written is 4525 and then the second number is 1752. When taken out their sum, the sum comes out to be 6277. Now, if I'll be taking up first number as 1752 and the second number as 4525, again their sum will come out to be the same, that is 6277. So, from here we can conclude that first number plus second number is equal to second number plus first number. So this is the first property of addition, that we can change the order of the numbers while finding their sum. Now, the second property of addition. We can change the grouping of three numbers when finding their sum. Students, if A, B and C are three numbers which are to be added, then A plus B in one group plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. I'll make you clear with the help of one example. For example, the three numbers to be added are 1250, 1125 and 2360. Now, if we are adding, the first two numbers are grouped in one group, that is 1250 plus 1125 plus the third number, which is 2360. So, taking out the sum of first two numbers, it comes out to be 2375 plus adding the third number, which is 2360, and the sum comes out to be 4735. Now, if we are taking it in another way, that is 1250 is written separate and 1125 plus 2360 are put in one group. So, while adding, we will be getting the same answer as we have got in the first example. So, you can see both the answers are same, that is 4735. So, we can conclude from here that in addition, if we are changing the grouping of three numbers, there will be no change in the sum. Now, moving on to the third property of addition. Students, as per the third property, when 0 is added to a number or a number is added to 0, the sum is the number itself. For example, if we are adding 0 in 1505, the sum will be 1505 only. And if 0 plus 1505 is taken, again the sum comes out to be 1505. That is, if A is any number, then A plus 0 is equal to A, and also 0 plus A is equal to A. Students, we have done all the properties of addition. All of you may now please open page number 33 of your textbook and do parts A, C, G, I, L and N. You may pause the lesson here for 3 minutes. 3 minutes break is over now. Let us first check our answers to these parts. Answer to A part is 4258. Answer to C part is 1580. The G part 7041. The I part 2147. L part 0 and N part 5457. Children, while doing such blanks, please make sure that the numbers should be same on both right and left side. So just check which number is missing and accordingly fill in the blank in accordance with the property of addition. Let us now move ahead and solve few questions based on estimation. Students, I hope you all might be knowing how to estimate the numbers, as this topic we have just done in our chapter number 1. Now, with the help of examples, see how we have to estimate the sum by rounding off at different places. In example number 1, we need to estimate the sum of 2521 and 5638 by rounding to nearest tens. As the rules of rounding off to tens are already clear to you, so when 2521 is rounded off to nearest tens, the number becomes 2520, as we have to see the number at the ones place. If the number at the ones place is less than 5, we will just put 0 in the ones place. And now we will see the number at the ones place in 5638. So it is 8, that is more than 5. So the in 5630 we will add 10 and the number will become 5640. And the estimated sum comes out to be 8160. Now we will estimate the sum of 5924 plus 3876 by rounding to nearest hundreds. Children, please recall the rules for rounding to nearest hundreds. So we see that for rounding off to hundreds, we have to look at the tens place of the number. Here 2 less than 5. So the round off to 5924 is 5900. In 3876, 7. That is at the tens place we have 7, which is more than 5. So we'll be adding 100 to 3800 which will give us 3900. And then estimating the sum, the estimated sums comes out to be 9800. Now in example 3, we need to estimate the sum of 5808 plus 1025 by rounding to nearest thousands. So rounding off to thousands means we have to put 3 zeros. So looking at the hundreds place of the number 8, here 8 is more than 5. So 5508 will round to 6000. 1025 will round to 1000. So the estimated sum comes out to be 7000. So children, I hope that you might not have got any problem in understanding estimating sum. With this explanation, we have completed our chapter of addition. So now get ready for your home assignment, which is to be done in your maths notebook. From exercise 2.6, do question number 1, part B, question number 2, question number 3, part B, question number 4, question number 5, part A, and question number 6. Thank you, students.